you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ms. T, and I am back with another V to the I to the D-E-O. That's right, I am back with another video, y'all. So today I am opening my IPSY Glam bag for the month of February in the year of 2021, y'all. You guys, I am so surprised that this IPSY bag is here, because in January, my IPSY bag did not get here to the end of the month. And y'all know I said I was going to do a little bit of complaining. Yes, I did. And you guys, this month, she is on time. I was so surprised. I got it out of the mailbox today. I went out to the mailbox and I saw this in there and I was like, oh, okay, all right, IPSY. Y'all, they be listening. So here she is. Here's the bag. Anyway, you guys, for those of you who don't know about IPSY, IPSY is a $12 monthly subscription bag. Yes, it is. Okay. Now, they do have other tiers, but this is the lowest tier because, y'all, this is all Miss T is willing to pay for, y'all. So that means we have samples in this bag. We have some regular samples. We have some deluxe samples. And occasionally, we might have a full-size product. You guys, if it is a full-size product, it's usually a makeup brush or a mask. Why? Because they can't give us half a mask. They can't give us a sample of a brush. Y'all, that just don't make sense. Can't just do a little bit for a whole face. So they go ahead and they give us the whole thing. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into our February 2021 IPSY Glam bag. Y'all, they making it hard for Miss T to get in it this month, y'all. It's usually really easy to get into, but they making it hard. So I don't know what's in the bag because I'm opening the bag with y'all because, like I said, I just got this thing out the mail. But right here, there is some Soul Velvet lipstick right here on the top. Y'all, like Soul Velvet lipstick. I'm like, is that one of the choices in my bag? No. Okay, y'all, I know what this is. So I did use some points. Y'all know I've been complaining about the points. I've been saying that with the points, IPSY has been playing with us. Yes, they have, because everything is usually sold out when you go on there to select. So I needed to use some points because some of my points were going to expire. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to have to get what I can get because I'm not finna let any of my points go to waste, y'all. So I ended up getting this lipstick, and I hope it's a lipstick, y'all. Yeah, okay, it's the Pretty Filter Soul Velvet lipstick, and that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, you guys. I think that's a pretty color, so I wasn't too upset with the fact that I had to select this in order to use my points. But yeah, that was just me using my points. That is not what actually came in the bag, okay? So here is my bag, y'all. All right, ain't she cute? Look at that. Okay, it's like a postcard on the front. It says "Seal with a kiss." Y'all know it's February. February is for lovers, you know. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day has passed. They didn't get it to me before Valentine's Day, but that's all right. It's here now. Okay, and on the back, it's sealed with a kiss. Y'all see that? Y'all, I love this bag. Now, IPSY has went all out. When I tell y'all that's some detail right there, that is some detail on this bag. All right, so I usually give my little bags away at Christmas time to my family and my friends, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to depart with this one. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to part with this one. So y'all don't be asking for it. All right, so the first thing we have in this bag, y'all, is some unidentifiable item. And I say it is unidentifiable because it is black and doesn't have a name on it. So it has like all of these little K's on there. Y'all, let's see. We have our card. There's our card. It says, "I send love, February 2021. All you need is love and maybe a little lipstick." So I'm assuming this is another lipstick too. "Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, glossy red nails. You deserve it all. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com/send love." So you guys, this is going to be a lipstick. It's the KARMELA Cosmetics Silk Matte Lipstick in Bitten. Okay, y'all. Bitten, okay. Woo-wee. Y'all. This gotta be some good lipstick for them to be giving a name like that. You gonna call something Bitten? It better be some good stuff, y'all. All right. So this is what it is. Now, I don't know. I was expecting it, since it was Bitten, I was actually expecting it to be a red, but it seems to be more of like a mauve. But we'll make it do what it do. You know, I love lipstick, so we'll make it do what it do. All right. So our next thing inside of our bag, of course, is a little sample of this Real Element Practice, let's see, All Night Moisture and Relief Mask. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll put pictures up so that you guys can see it. But anyway, yeah, it says it's formulated without the 6 major parabens, no alcohol, no sorbic acid, benzoic acid, all this other stuff. Okay. All right, you guys. So, I guess that's going to be a good little mask, y'all. I'm going to take the seal off. It has one of those little doodads there. Let's smell it. Well, y'all, we got a good whiff of it now. Let's go ahead and put it on the back of my hand, y'all. My hands are always a little bit dry because I'm always washing them. But who isn't always washing their hands these days? Make sure I got it all off my nose. Ugh. Actually, I don't know what that smells like. It has a little underlying lemon smell, but it's really underlying, y'all. It's not anything major. What they're saying about this Nutinature, okay, it's the Nutinature Ultra All Night Moisture and Relief Mask. When your skin's feeling extra thirsty, this super hydrating overnight mask will give you a dewy, bouncy, quench complexion come morning. And it has olive oil, lemon balm, yep, that's what I was smelling, and tea tree oil boost your skin's lipid barrier to lock in moisture, plus balance oils and clarify overall. All right, so that's what that was. So the next thing in this bag is the 24-hour brow setter. You guys, I chose this. This is 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. You get a chance to choose at least one sample that you get in your IPSY bag. And it's always nice to be able to choose something when you're getting this. And it says mini on the box, y'all. So let's just see how small it is. You know, it is a sample, so it's probably real small. It's tiny. Yeah. And it's probably got one of those teeny tiny little brushes that I was like, golly, these brushes. First of all, we got to be able to get it open to see how small it is. Oh, y'all, that's not bad. That's actually like a full size brush right there. Okay. I can deal with it. I can deal with it. But anyway, you guys, that's a good deal right there. I wanted to try it, so I selected this one. If you watch my last month's video for IPSY, then you'll see at the very end of the video, you got to watch it all the way through, y'all, where I selected it. All right, so we saw that from Benefit Cosmetics. All right, now let me look over here and see what we got. What else we got in our bag? Yeah, we got 2 more things. So next is this liquid eyeliner. Y'all, I'm happy about this because I needed some more liquid eyeliner because I threw my eyeliner away. If you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch it. But I threw a lot of my eyeliners away because, yeah, y'all, it was getting old. It was just time. But anyway, I don't know what that's about, but look at that. I'm trying to get it open. Oh, okay. So you pull it up and look at that, how neat. It's cute. Just want to smell it. Y'all know I like to smell everything that goes on my face. I like to smell everything that goes on my face because if it don't smell good, then I ain't going to be able to rock with it. But that is the KOKIE Cosmetics Retractable. Y'all know Miss T be getting tongue-tied. I don't know if it's because I talk too fast or because I think too fast, okay? But I always get a little tongue-tied. So this is the retractable liquid liner, calling all cat eye noobs. This liquid eyeliner is here to help you create the perfect line every single time. Made with ultra saturated jet black pigments and a firm felt tip, this baby won't skip, tug, or smear. It says, for a tip, use this liner with heavy pressure for thicker, bolder lines and lighter pressure for fine lines. All right, you guys, that's nice. I really like that. And the last thing inside of our bag here, y'all, Okay, it's something all wrapped up real neat, y'all. Guess what? It is a Love You First Stunning Eyeshadow Duo. Y'all know I'm reading off this paper because I'm trying to find out what we got here. You know, we gotta look back, see what they're giving us here. All right, so let's check it out. You guys, Love You First Stunning Eyeshadow Duo. I'm trying to get in it, y'all, so we can see. Okay, what y'all think of that? What y'all think? All right, let's see if these eyeshadows are going to be creamy, okay? I like creamy eyeshadows because if they're not very creamy, you have to put water in them to kind of help that pigment show up. And then I ended up throwing away a lot of my eyeshadows as a result because they too were getting old. So I am going to put my hand through here. Y'all know how creamy this one is. Oh, boy. Okay, so this is what they look like on the back of my finger. The two different colors. And now we're going to swatch them on the back of this hand. Ooh, let's see. Okay. That'll do. That'll do, y'all. It'll have to do. I guess, you know, because one is a light purple, it's not going to show up all that much on my skin complexion. The darker color did show up a lot more. So, yeah, we're not going to complain. But anyway, y'all, let's go through right quick and see how much these items cost. So, the very first item that we looked at, this KARMELA Cosmetics Silk Matte Lipstick in Bitten. For the full size, it's $24. This is a deluxe sample, you guys, a deluxe sample, all right? So, the next item that we had here was the Nutinature Ultra All Night Moisture and Relief Mask, y'all. 32 products. This is also considered a deluxe sample. Y'all see that? Now, let me tell you why I have a problem with them calling these samples like this of cream, any type of cream, deluxe. That's very small, IPSY. That's very small. So if you're calling that a deluxe sample, then we already know it's not going to go far because it's a creamy product. And it's going to take at least a dime size every time we use it. But, you know. Okay, let me get off of that. Let me get off of that. The next thing we have in here is our Benefits Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter clear brow gel. Y'all, this is also considered a deluxe sample and it is going for $24. Okay, $24. All right, the MSRP on this KOKIE, let's see, KOKIE Cosmetics Retractable Liquid Liner. And y'all, this is the full size. I can't believe it, but they saying this is a full size product, y'all. But guess what? I ain't even mad at them because the MSRP for the full size products is only $6. This is only $6. So y'all, if this is any good, then this is what we probably need to be buying because for $6 we can't beat that. And the last thing that came inside of our box is this Love You First Stunning Eyeshadow Duo, which, you know, I don't know if I would have bought it at the store just because it ain't showing up all that great. Well, the light color isn't showing up all that great. But, y'all, this is the full size. Well, they said this is the deluxe sample right here. But if you were to get the full size version of this product, it would be $10.99. So, this is lilac and blackberry is the colors. So, the lilac is what's not showing up very well. But the blackberry is really coming through. So, yeah, it says that these 5 glam bag products valued at $50 plus are all yours. Y'all, we got more than $50 worth of product here for just $12. Stop wasting your money. Stop wasting your money down there at Ulta and Sephora trying to try products, okay? And get you an IPSY bag, y'all. Get you an IPSY glam bag for just $12 a month. Y'all, I am not affiliated with IPSY. They are not sponsoring this video. But you guys, I just like them. I've been getting an IPSY bag now for over a year. And I've tried so many different products. Some I like, some I was like, each to its own. But for the most part, it's been a good bag for me. And I'm really excited about this month's bag because I do feel like I got some great items. So you guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me a comment. I would love to hear what you think about this month's IPSY Glam Bag. And if you want to see next month's IPSY Glam Bag, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it will certainly be out here next month in the month of March 2021, you guys. So, until next time.